AI in robotics, transforming the future. What's up, everyone? It's Rebel AI, and we're about to dive deep into the world of AI in robotics. This isn't just some sci-fi movie. This is real tech that's already changing how we live, work, and, let's be honest, think about the future. We're talking robots learning like we do, seeing like we do, even understanding us when we talk. We'll break down the key tech, from how an AI learns to how it navigates a busy street, all the way to how it's changing industries from healthcare to, you guessed it, making the next MKBHD video. Okay, maybe not yet, but you get the point. This isn't just about the tech, it's about the impact. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's explore how AI and robotics is literally reshaping our world. Machine learning robots that learn. Machine learning is like giving a robot a brain that can actually get smarter over time. Imagine feeding a robot tons of data, like showing it thousands of images of, say, dogs. With enough data, the AI starts to recognize patterns, and eventually it can tell you if a picture is a dog or, I don't know, a cat riding a Roomba. This learning process isn't just about identifying pictures. It's about robots adapting to new situations without someone having to program every single move. It's about them learning from their mistakes, getting better at their tasks, and maybe even teaching themselves some new tricks. Computer vision eyes for the robot world. We take it for granted, but seeing is incredibly complex. Now, imagine trying to teach a robot to do that. That's computer vision giving robots the power to see and understand the world around them, just like we do. Think about a self-driving car. It needs to see lane markings, other cars, pedestrians, traffic lights, all while driving. Or a robot in a warehouse sorting packages. It needs to see different shapes, sizes, and even read barcodes. That's AI-powered computer vision, and it's a game changer. Natural language processing robots that understand you. Ever talk to a chatbot or use a voice assistant like Siri or Google Assistant? That's natural language processing, or NLP, in action. Now imagine that same technology powering a robot that can understand your words, interpret your tone, and even respond in a way that feels natural. This isn't just about robots taking your orders, it's about them understanding you on a deeper level. Imagine robots that can understand complex instructions, have nuanced conversations, maybe even tell a joke or two. Okay, maybe the jokes need some work, but you get the idea. Chapter 4. Reinforcement. Learning. Mastering the game of robots. Reinforcement learning is like teaching a robot to ride a bike. You don't tell it exactly how to balance, pedal and steer all at once. Instead, you let it try, fall and try again. Each time it gets closer to staying upright, it gets a reward. Each time it crashes, well, it learns to avoid that. This trial and error process is how AI masters complex tasks. Think of a robot learning to play a video game. It starts with random button mashes, but over time, with enough rewards and, let's be honest, a few epic fails, it starts to develop strategies, make decisions, and eventually it might even beat you at your own game. Chapter 5. Autonomous navigation. Finding the way forward. We're talking about robots that can navigate the world on their own, without anyone holding their hand, or should I say, their robotic arm. This is autonomous navigation, and it's a game changer for everything from self-driving cars, delivering your groceries, to drones inspecting bridges, to robots exploring the surface of Mars. This tech relies on a fusion of AI superpowers, computer vision to see the environment, machine learning to adapt to changing conditions, and a whole lot of processing power to make split-second decisions. It's like giving robots a sense of direction, but on a whole other level. Chapter 6. AI in healthcare. A second opinion, literally. We're talking robots assisting in surgeries with incredible precision, AI algorithms analyzing medical images to detect diseases earlier than ever, and even robots providing companionship to patients in need. This isn't about replacing doctors and nurses. It's about giving them the tools and insights to do their jobs even better. It's about faster diagnoses, more personalized treatments, and ultimately better outcomes for patients. Chapter 7. Revolutionizing manufacturing, the AI-powered factory floor. Imagine a factory where robots work alongside humans, not just doing the heavy lifting, but learning from their human counterparts, adapting to changes in production, and even anticipating problems before they happen. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about flexibility. AI-powered robots can switch between tasks more easily, learn new skills faster, and even collaborate with each other to optimize production. This is the future of manufacturing, smarter, more efficient, and more adaptable than ever before. No, I'm not talking about those clunky robots from the 80s. Think robots that can understand your order, answer your questions, maybe even make a mean latte. Okay, the latte art might need some work, but you get the idea. This is about robots handling those repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and engaging interactions. It's about businesses becoming more efficient, providing 24/7 service, and maybe even making you smile with a perfectly timed joke. Remember those NLP advancements? Yeah, they're coming in handy now. We're not talking about robots replacing farmers, we're talking about giving farmers superpowers. Imagine robots that can analyze soil conditions, detect pests and diseases before they spread, and even harvest crops with incredible precision. This is about making farming more efficient, more sustainable, and more profitable. It's about using technology to feed a growing population while minimizing our impact on the environment. We're talking robots, exploring the depths of our oceans, venturing into active volcanoes, and even roving the surface of Mars, sending back valuable data that would be impossible to gather otherwise. This is about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, unlocking the secrets of our universe, and inspiring the next generation of explorers and innovators. As you can see, the integration of AI in robotics isn't some distant future. It's happening right now. From healthcare to manufacturing to exploring the unknown, AI is powering a new generation of robots that are smarter, more capable, and more adaptable than ever before. This rapid evolution is going to transform industries, create new job opportunities, and fundamentally change the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. And this is just the beginning. As AI continues to advance, we can expect even more incredible breakthroughs in the years to come. So stay tuned, because the future of AI in robotics is looking incredibly exciting. And who knows, maybe one day an AI will be co-hosting this show with me. Until then, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Peace out.